got the cooler, so let's install it. So we got it in there. We also got the bracket in there. You could see it was a little difficult since it was right on the edge. Okay guys, we finally have connected the AIO and everything else, so let's just hope it turns on. This time I won't forget about the button on the back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It looks beautiful. Everything is on, everything is working. Let's put on the badge that we have completely successfully installed this beautiful computer. Love it. Turn off the lights. Just look at how beautiful that looks. So beautiful. All the RGBs are on. That was my only worry, but we got it, boys. Just gotta install Windows and let's get it.